Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Doom Eternal game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable controller or joystick within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Doom Eternal game on your device. And once you are inside the homepage, press the K button or the gear icon at the bottom left corner, which will then take you into the settings page. From here, click on controls, and now you will see the mouse and keyboard as well as the controller section. In order to use your controller, make sure that the checkbox is checked and the option is set to yes. This will now enable the controller for your device. And now you can change your sensitivity level, customize your control scheme, enable aim assist, and play with vibration enabled. You can come back to this menu at any point of time to disable the controller once again if you wish. And now when you start your game, you can start playing with your controller right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable controller or joystick on the Doom Eternal game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.